Now we're going to practice writing an equation from a word problem, and we will write the equation in slope-intercept form, which again is y equals mx plus b. Jackson learns to perform 2 vocal pieces during each week of lessons. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of weeks x and the number of pieces learned y. Write your answer as an equation with y first, followed by an equal sign. Let's start with y first, followed by an equal sign. And again, he is learning 2 vocal pieces during each week of lessons. So that is 2 vocal pieces times the number of weeks. And here, the number of weeks is represented by x. So to apply this, let's say he had practiced a total of 3 weeks. If we plug in a 3 here, that is 3 times 2, a total of 6. Yes, he would have learned 6 pieces. 2, 4, 6 pieces. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. Gabe earns $8 for each hour of dog walking. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the time spent walking dogs, x, and the amount earned, y. Again, we will start with y equals, and let's go ahead and find our rate, which is $8, and that is for every hour spent walking the dogs, which is represented by x. So that is x, 8 times x, or we write it as 8x, y equals 8x. Sam cycles 4 kilometers during each trip to work. Okay, now we have y is equal to 4 kilometers, and we're told the trips to work is represented by x, so that is y equals 4x. Okay, now this one does add in a value for the y-intercept. Let's go ahead and read it. A person can pay $8 for a membership to the Science Museum and then go to the museum for just $1 per visit. So that's $8 to start off with. Y is equal to $8. You pay the $8. After that, you pay an additional $1 per visit. And as you read on here, you find out that the number of visits is represented by x. So that's $8 plus $1 for every visit. Let's say we went a total of 5 times. That person goes 5 times. That would be 5 times the $1, $5 plus the $8 for the membership. That would be a total of $13. We'll do one more. Nancy already owns 2 hairbands. Okay, she already has 2 hairbands. That is y equals 2. And additional hairbands are priced at 1 for $1. 1 for $1. So that is an additional 1 per dollar. And in this case, we're told the hairbands is x. Okay, so that is the equation here. And we will go ahead and submit this. And they don't get any more difficult than this. For now, they're pretty straightforward slope-intercept equations. We will get into some more complicated equations a little bit later, but for now, this should get you acquainted with how to write basic slope-intercept form equations when given a word problem.